Vienna, are you having fun? You big girl. Look at your boys. Your boys are up in the nest. Okay, if there's a skunk in the nest, that means that the eagle actually picked him up off the ground and put him there.
No! No, not the eagle picked me up and saved me from the snake. No, because
the eagle picked you up and saved you from the snake. That is great role play.
You know, I have a baby. Oh no, there's a baby out.
Oh, look at the baby found Anna. Do you need help, little baby?
Look it, I'm a skunk. The skunk.
Let's hope you get back up.
There's a tornado going to happen.
There you go. There you go.
Tornado's going to happen. Hurry.
There you go. You're so big now, Vienna. You're so big. Do you like Anna?
What happened?
I think your brothers love action figures.
Stick it out. Stick.
Where's the eagle? Let me see.